Hello, good evening, Jessie. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me, Jessie? Hello, hello, good evening. Good evening, Jessie. Hello, hello. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So hello, good evening, and it's nice to see you again. Jessie, how are you today? You're good. Wow, that's good to know. And are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so perfect. So now, let's go and continue our lesson, which is all about art supplies. And before we continue our lesson, let's review some of the art supplies that we had already talked about last time. So let's go first with this art supply. Do you still remember what is the name of this art supply? What is the name? It is starts with letter P. What is this one? We call it as paint. This is,
Hey,
yes, very good. One more time. What is this again, Jessie?
and taste.
This is a paint. Very good. This is a paint. So when we say paint, it is what we use to color things, especially our drawings. So we use paint or we use brush to um, make the paint to be colored in a paper. So we use a brush. So I don't have a brush here right now. Oh, this one. I have a big brush, but this brush is also used in paint. So we um, put the color here or the paint here, and we paint the walls. So this is for painting the walls, brush for painting the walls. Okay, so that is our first school's art supply. How about this one, Jessie? What do we call this art supply?
It's a paper.
Very good. It's a paper. And what are the colors of the papers that you can see here?
Red, yellow, blue, green.
Very good. Good job. So when we say paper, so remember, so paper is what we use to write or what we use to draw or cut, especially when we are making art things, especially in art class or art subject. So we usually use paper for art. And like this one, we use colored paper for um, cut out activities. So that is our second art supplies. So next, how about this one? If you still remember, this is the one that we write or we used to write in a chalkboard
It
or
is
blackboard. This is a,
chalkboard.
yes, this is a chalk. So this is a chalk. So when we say chalkboard, it is the one that we used to write the chalk like this one, chalkboard, chalkboard. This is the chalkboard. So this is where we write chalk like this. Okay, but for this one, for this third art supply, so we call it as chalk. So this is a chalk. Okay, so next, how about this one? Do you still remember what is this, Jessie?
This is
Starts with letter Y. It's a, this is a yarn. One more time, let's say yarn.
yarn.
Very good. So good job. So when we say yarn, it is a long or soft string. So we usually use yarn for knitting or crochet. So we usually use it for art crafts. So this is a yarn. So next, so actually yarns have a different colors, not only blue. That is why this is one of the famous art supplies that is used for art subjects. Okay, this is a yarn. Next. Okay, how about this one, Jessie? Are you familiar with this art supply?
This is glue.
Very good. This is a glue. Good job. So when we say glue, it is what we use to join a paper or objects. So glue sticks things together, especially papers. So this glue is what we use to stick papers together, especially if we are doing art crafts. So we usually use glue for us to stick the things that we do in a paper. So this is a glue. Next, how about this one, Jessie? Are you familiar with this school supply? It's this one. This is we call this as tape.
It is tape.
Very good, tape. So like the glue, like glue, tape is also used to keep things together. So the difference between glue and tape, so glue is liquid, however tape is solid. So we use tape to hold a paper or objects in place. Okay, have you already seen a tape before? Do you have a tape in your house?
Yes, I have.
Yes, okay, very good. So that is a tape, like this one. This is a tape. So yeah, we have a transparent tape and we also have a colored tapes like this. This is a black tape, but this one we call this as electrical tape. So it is mostly used for electrical things in our house. So that is a tape. So now let's move on to our next activity. So let's listen to an audio about this classroom and let's check if the in this picture there are the art supplies that we had learned. So let me just open the sound. Okay, just one moment. Can you tell teacher if you hear the sound?
Page 12.
Yes,
B.
I can hear.
Listen and
Okay.
number. 1,
Hi, Danny. Hi, Jay. What is it? It's yarn and glue. Yarn and glue? Yes.
2,
Look, my paper. It's great. Thank you.
3,
Teacher, your chalk.
Thank you, Carla. Is it a square?
No, it isn't. It's a circle.
4,
Is it glue? No, it isn't. It's tape. Oh, okay. Paint is great.
Okay. So now let's answer the number 1. So let's listen once again to number 1.
And number. 1.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Jay.
What is it? It's yarn and glue. Yarn and glue?
Yes.
Page
Okay.
12.
Okay, for number 1, Jessie, what is the art supply that is used or being used by Danny and Jay?
It's glue and yarn.
Glue and yarn. Very good. It's yarn and glue. And can you circle where is the yarn and glue in the picture? Can you circle?
Now I can circle.
You can circle. How about this one? Is this the yarn and glue?
No, it isn't.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Is this the yarn and glue?
Yes,
Yes, it is it.
is.
Yes, it is. Very good. So, very good. This is the yarn and glue. Now, let's number this number 1. So, good job. Now, can you tell teacher what are the colors of this yarn?
Is orange, white, blue.
Very good. Orange, white, and blue. And what is Danny making?
Danny making a flower.
Very good. Danny is making a flower out of what is the color of the yarn that is used to make the flower?
It's orange.
Very good. It's orange. Good job. So next, let's listen to number 2.
Yarn.
Number 2.
2.
Look, my paper. It's great. Thank you.
Okay. So now let's take a look at the picture. Is this the what is the art supply that you have listened to? Number 2.
Paper.
Paper. Very good. It's paper. Now, can you tell teacher, is this the paper?
No, it isn't.
Very good. No, it isn't. How about this one? Is this the paper?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. How about this?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Yes, it is. So good job. So let's number this number 2. So this is the paper. And can you tell teacher, what are the colors of the paper that that you can see in the picture?
I can see orange and blue.
Orange.
And so many colors in
So
here.
many colors. Yes, very good. So there are so many colors. I think there is the complete colors in here. So yes, very good. This one it's orange, blue, and yellow. This one is blue, yellow, and purple. So yeah. So they are making an art craft using the paper. So next, let's listen to number 3.
3.
Teacher, your chalk.
Thank you, Carla. Is it a square?
No, it isn't. It's a circle.
Okay, so now what is the art supply that is used in number 3?
This is
It's starts with letter C. It is what we use. It is what we used to write in a blackboard. What is that? It is
chalk.
very good. It is chalk. So this one. So is this the chalk?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Yes, it is. And now let's take a look at this blackboard or green board. So what is it? Is this or is it a square?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. What is it? What shape is it?
It's a circle.
It's a circle. Very good. It's a circle. So next. So remember, this is the chalk. So this is what we use to write in a green board or a blackboard like this. This is what chalk looks like in a board. So it is color white. So next, let's number this one. Number 3. Let's go with number 4.
4,
Is it glue? No, it isn't. It's tape. Oh, okay.
Okay, so now let's look at this one. Is this a glue or is it a glue, Jessie?
No, it isn't.
Very good. And what is it?
It's yes,
It's a
it's
tape. We call it as tape.
tape.
Very good. So one more time. What is it, Jessie? It
It
is
It is a gift.
tape. Very good. Okay. So now let's move on to this art supply. What do we call this art supplies?
It's
Starts with the letter P. 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 It's a
uh
it's paint. Okay, one more time. Let's say paint. Paint. This one is tape. T. Tape. Okay. How about this one? What is this again, Jessie?
it's it.
It's paint. One more time. Let's say paint. 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 Paint.
Pens.
Okay, very good. This one. Tape. Tape. Tape.
Tip.
Okay, very good. So let's again practice. Let's say it as tape, not tip. Tape. Use the long A. Tape. Can you say it once again?
Tape.
Okay, very good. Good job. So that is our art supplies. So good job. So now let's read the story here. Okay, so let's go first with number 1. So can you read this one, Jessie? So let's read. Hi, Danny.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Jay.
Hi, Jay.
What is it?
What it is?
It's yarn and glue.
It's yarn and glue.
Yarn and glue?
Yarn and
Yes.
yes.
Okay, very good. So one more time, let's say this sentence. What is it?
What is it?
Okay, very good. So next, let's go to number 2. This one. Look, my paper.
Look, my paper.
It's great.
It's great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, good job. So next, let's go with number 3. So teacher, your chalk.
Teacher, your chalk.
Thank you, Carla.
Thank you, Carla.
Is it a square?
Is it a square?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
It's a circle.
It's a circle.
Okay, very good. Again, let's read this sentence one more time. This one. Is it a square?
Is a square?
Okay. It.
It.
Is it?
Is it a
Yes.
square?
Very good. Good job. So next, let's go to number 4. Is it a glue?
Is it a glue?
Okay, one more time. Is it
Is it
a glue?
a glue?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
It's tape.
It's tape.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Paint is great.
Paste is straight.
Okay, one more time. Let's say this word once again. Paint.
Paste.
Okay, good job. Okay, so good job. So that is our story, or what is happening in the art class in this classroom. So good job. So now let's learn a new sentence pattern here. So let's listen to number 23.
Page 13. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
This is paint.
Okay, let's read this one first. Let's see. This is paint.
This is paste.
Okay, very good. So we use this sentence pattern when we are saying the name of the object that we are holding, or those that are close to us. Like for example, this one. This is paint. What is the color of the paint, Jessie? Hello? What color is the paint? Oh, oh, okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now I will explain again the sentence pattern. So when we say this is paint, so we use this sentence pattern when we are saying the name of the object that we are holding, or those that are close to us. For example, this one. This is paint.
This is paste.
This is tape.
This is tape.
Very good. This is scissor.
This is scissor.
Very good. So we use this is, and after that we will use the name of the object that we are holding, or those objects or art supplies that are close to us. So we will say this is scissor. This is tape. So that is how we use the sentence. So now let's practice this sentence pattern in our next page here. Okay, so let's listen to this one. Number 1.
1,
This is paint.
2,
This is paper.
3,
This is chalk.
4,
This is yarn.
5,
This is glue.
6,
This is tape.
Okay, so now, Jessie, let's practice the sentence pattern that we had learned. So the first one, this is,
This is
what is this? This is, what is the name of this object?
this is pass.
Okay, one more time. Let's say paint.
Paint.
Okay, so one more time. What is this, Jessie?
This
This.
is paint.
Very good. Next, how about this one? What is this?
It's a paper.
Okay, so good job. But we will use the sentence patterns. This is paper.
This is paper.
Okay, very good. How about this one, Jessie? What is this?
This ear.
This is
This is. This is chalk.
very good.
It's
Good job.
chalk.
This is chalk. Next, how about this?
This
This.
is yarn.
Okay, one more time. This is
This is yarn.
very good. Next, how about number 5?
This is glue.
Very good. Good job. This is glue. How about number 6? This.
This is tape.
Very good. This is tape. Good job. So that is how we use this sentence pattern. This is. So we use it to name objects. So next. So let's have another question. Oh, so let's check first your answers. So let's read again. Jessie, number 1. This
This
is
is
number 1. This is paint.
this is peach.
Okay, one more time. Let's say paint.
Peach.
Okay, next. This is,
This is paper.
next is, this
This is
is,
this is chalk.
very good. Next is,
This is yarn.
next.
This is glue.
Okay, one more time. Let's say this. This.
This is glue.
Okay, last one.
This is tape.
This is tape. Okay, very good. So next, let's have another question and answer pattern. So we have here the question. Let's read this one. What's this?
What is this?
Okay, so we can read it as what is this, but we can also read it as a shorter version, which is what's this, because the shorter version of what is what's, for us to be, or for us to not have a difficulty in saying what is, because it is more longer than what's. They just have the same meaning. Okay, so one more time, let's say what's these.
What's this?
Okay, this is paint.
This is paste.
Okay, very good. So we have this question, what's these? So we use this question when we ask about one object that are close to us, or what we are holding right now. So that is what's this? And we usually answer what's this with this is, and what is the object that is being asked. Like for example, this one, Jessie. What's these?
This is
This is
this is
starts with letter T. Tape.
it's tape.
Very good. One more time. Let's say tape. Tape.
Tape.
Tape. Longer. Can you make it longer? Longer sounds. Tape. Not tip.
Tape.
Yes, very good. That's right. One more time. What is this, or what's this, Jessie?
This is tape.
Tape. One more time. Tape.
Tape.
Okay, very good. Because tip, the sound tip is different in tape. So it sounds like tip, not tape. So tape. So very good. So good job. Next, so let's practice this question and sentence pattern. Let's go first with this one. Hey, Jessie, what is, or what's this? This.
Is This is
Starts with letter P.
pit.
One more time.
Pit.
Paint. Okay, one more time. Let's say paint. Paint.
Eight.
Yes, very good. Make it longer. Paint, not pint. Paint.
Paint.
Okay, good job. Next, what is this? Or what's this?
This
This.
This
This.
is yarn.
Very good. Good job. Okay. So very good, Jessie, for applying the question and sentence pattern or answer pattern that we had learned today. So we will continue this activity on Friday. Okay. So make sure to practice paint and tape. Okay. So good job, Jessie, and see you again soon. Goodbye. Good,
Goodbye.
goodbye and good night.